Good morning. So the plan for today is we are gonna go hunt for some fresh oranges to make some orange juice, and I'm gonna see a couple of clients. After that, I think we're gonna try to track down some waterfalls. Apparently there's waterfalls around here. We haven't found them yet, and there's some cautions about the road that the waterfalls live on, but we're gonna go off for an adventure and then do some like domestic stuff. We'll probably get some laundry done, wash the van, and see what other adventures find us.
Let's go over here, Mama.
Okay, where?
Here. Careful.
Okay.
Here.
Tree number 1 didn't get us the results we were looking for, so now we're on to tree number 2.
What the?
How is it?
Good. I want some.
Is it as good or better or not as good as the stuff in the store? Still working. Who's ready for an adventure?
Me!
Why don't you think we're going the right way?
Waterfall. There'd be more like people and stuff.
So far in Mexico, we've gotten stuck in the sand twice. So every time we drive on sandy roads, I freak out a little bit.
Are these rattlesnakes?
You have to ask him.
Are these rattlesnakes?
Snakes? I don't think they're rattlesnakes.
No hunting animals. No touching for the snakes. And just waterfalls and hiking.
Does that sound like a good plan?
Yeah.
Okay. We found the waterfall and I forgot my bathing suit. So I might be swimming with my clothes on because this looks heavenly.
We made it to the waterfall and it looked really, really beautiful. And it took a while for us to get down here, about a minute or 2. We want to see the snakes. Hi. They're down. Their pupils are rectangles. See? Rectangles. Sticking.
The waterfall, they have goats and donkeys and birds and chickens and stuff. Whoa! They're hungry. This is Mariana. I'm sure that I pronounced that incorrectly. She's really sweet. Get those things out. Ow! Ow! She totally just nipped me. When we first met this little guy, I thought that maybe he was like sick or something because he doesn't have any hair. He's just got this little tuft. But then there was another one. So now we know this is
A breed.
a breed, right? Learn something new every day. So all in all, I think it's been a pretty awesome adventure day. We found the waterfalls. We didn't get stuck in the sand so far. And we found some interesting animals to hang out with. We're gonna wrap it up here and head back and hopefully find another adventure. Isn't it cute? He's so sweet. Somebody talk to him, make him move for us. So cute.
Do you know a Stegosaurus head is size of a walnut?
His head's the size of a walnut?
Yeah.
Or his brain?
Brain.
Oh, I didn't know that. Excuse me. What am I trying to say?